Hello, I'm Leah. I'm a master gardener at Harvest for the Hungry, and we're in the Habitat Garden looking at one of the best plants you could possibly add to your garden. This is Coyote mint. It's a native, also known as Monodella villosa, and it has a wonderful, refreshing mint smell, but it's a little different from European mints. So this is a plant that will be very happy in the sun. It does not spread, so it's kind of well behaved. You can prune it to kind of shape it, but it often has a really nice round shape. And it likes its feet dry, so it likes soil that's kind of heavy, not sand, but not clay. And don't put it in a place that puddles in the winter because it won't like that. But once you have picked out your coyote mint, your monardella, you'll see that the beautiful flowers start in the spring, and they're this kind of pincushiony purple, and then it goes to seed, and it's very popular with moths and butterflies. So this is a species plant for a habitat garden. A lot of people like it in rock gardens because it's such a nice round full shape, and a lot of people put it near pathways so they can brush by it and smell that wonderful minty smell. So Monodella villosa is a great native to add. If you have a space in the sun, consider putting this there. You would be best off planting it in the fall and enjoy it. Happy gardening. Garden safe.